Sisters, do you remember this video that I made long ago? Well, a few days ago, on my account. I can understand why 19 views, 1 like for myself, 2 dislikes. I'm not happy with the outcome of this video at all. And I hope we get more subscribers to raise this channel into the skies, to really support James as our sister and our king. And I'm so sorry if this offended anyone. I was in the moment. It was like 10 o'clock in the morning or something. And I really didn't really care what anyone thought. It's now 1 o'clock on the 18th. But I really hope you can understand. It's been reported to YouTube a lot for some reason. And I really need your help to raise the channel up and get James to what I really was looking for. So I'm watching this video I just did, and I finished it. I watched the whole thing, see?
As for my YouTube channel, I decided that I'm going to be taking some much content.
Yes, that's where I am right now. I've already commented right here. So basically, he's going on about how he's going to fix all of this, which I 100% stand for. You need to watch the video, like, okay, like, look, honey, like, it's only been like 10 minutes. But if you're really thinking about committing that, I truly recommend calling this number. 100%. And you really need to subscribe to James. So let's go check it out to see. He's going up. I promise he's already gone up like 100,000. This is over. Like, Tati vs. James is over. Okay? But like, we can check it out. You know? Look at that. Look at that. Look at her. Look at that. She's going down. Not him. Look at her. She's getting a bunch of backlash she deserves. So look at that. That's what I like right there. And look at him. Oh, getting 1 subscriber, but she's losing. Let's do it. Hashtag by Tati. That's our new hashtag. Please comment it. Hashtag by Tati. She's getting destroyed. There I am too. Let's get him to 16 million and get her down to 5 million. None of this is true. Do not subscribe to this person. I don't give no crap about this person at all. You know, no one cares. And really, you all need to be watching this. And the OGs. Oh, sorry. You see, all of the truth that has been spoken, and Tati is basically dead. She's gone. She's been taken down off the marketing places. And honestly, I couldn't care less. I really couldn't. And I really hope she goes back to 5 million and James comes back up to where he started. Where did James start? Let's see. Let's check out a stream. I guess we'll just do this right now. So he started, oh my god, it's so loud. She started with 5 million, went up 5 million, started at 60 million, went down 3 million. But honestly, just look at this. Like, just look at that. Look at his followers. Only 2 million difference. It's getting farther and farther apart. Just like I dreamed, just like I dreamed. So he started at 16,572. So 16,572 minus, oh wait, 826 minus before. Let's see how much they were before. 5,908,733. 5,908,733. Let's see really how far they were apart at first. They were apart 10 million. Oh wait, that's a little bit too much. 16 million. Oh yeah. No, 5 million. Okay. 908. So their difference was 10,000. 2 million before. Now it's 2 million. So that's just saying a lot. Tati is a snake, see? Oh my god, am I subscribed to Jeffrey? Ooh, that, I searched it up before. I'm not, I knew it. You bitch. What? But, okay, so, did he like post it? No, so, really what you need to be doing is going to the Dolly Twins, subscribing, and support James. Peace.